Good morning to all. Today I want to discuss a Salesforce project. It is a CRM application to handle and clients and their property relation related requirements. For this project, there are milestone activities to do this project. The first milestone activity is create a job form and integrate the form with the Salesforce organization. Open your browser and search for JotForm login. After jo- after JotForm login using your mail, click on add form and create a new form. Now you have to create a new form which includes name, email, and a proper phone number, the type of property, and a budget, which the customer requires the budget limit. This is the form which I have created by using JotForm. Now the second step is to create objects in Salesforce organization. Open your Salesforce account and create a customer object using this customer. And you have to create an object using spreadsheet. Similarly, you have to create a property object. Now integrate the Salesforce organization with the JotForm and go to the integration and add to form. Click on add to form. Now select your organization here, which your Salesforce account want to integrate. Create a record as shown in this. Then it will take to the interface which form and Salesforce customer field connect. Map the fields as shown in the integration. Now we have to create roles. The role is sales executive, which I have created in VP North American Sales. The sales representative is the top level and create another role, sales executive, which reports to sales representative, as well as sales manager, which reports to sales executive, and final role, customer, which reports to sales manager. Now we have to create a property details. From setup, go to app manager and click on new lightning app and name it property details and add customer. As shown in this is property details and you have to add objects which I have added customer, properties and search your property. The user profile will be system administrator and customer manager. From available profiles you have to add it in property details. Now profile. You have to create customer and manager profiles. Go to profiles and the customer is a clone to the Salesforce platform user and clone the customer and you have to uncheck all custom objects and check only property details from custom objects. I have created manager and the customer. This is the customer profile I have created. It is a Salesforce platform. It is a clone. Now we have to create a checkbox under the user. Go to object manager and search for a user. When user gives one relationship, you have to create a verified checkbox. The data type must be checkbox. Next, you have to create users. We have to create 4 users. Go to setup and search for users. Search for users and go to users. Click on user and create a executive, manager and customer 2 for 4 users. Now we have to create approval property, which is approval process. Go to approve, go to setup and search for approval process. Name the property approval, the label as a property approval, and give two criterion. The location is not equal to blank. Here you have to field property location and property verified. And operator is not equal to and equals. The value is blank and fab. Search false, which is a checkbox. Now we have to create a flow. Go to setup and search for flows. Click on new and select record trigger flow. And select object as property and trigger the flow when a record is created. As shown in here. Trigger the flow when record is created. The set entry conditions must be none. Now add a auction button. On clicking this symbol, add auction and search here submit approval. Give the label as sub approval for property and copy this record and paste in set input values. Now save the flow as label name as property approval and click on save, then activate. Now we have to create an app page. Go to setup, Lightning App Builder, click on new, select app page. The interface is in this format. Click on app page and give label name as search for property and click next and click header left sidebar as shown in this. Now we have to save and click on activate. Now go to page settings and search your property. And like from Lightning Experience, you have to select your property details as shown in this. The search your property is must be in the property details. Now click on save. Then you have to create a Apex class. You have to create an Apex class. Go to gear icon symbol. Click on developer console. It will take to the developer console. Click on file. I have created already. So open. This is the Apex class I have created. I named it a property handler LWC, which is a Lightning Web Component. Under this, I have written my code, Apex class code, which is Aura enable, and there are no errors. Now we have to create a Lightning Web Component in our VS Code. In your VS Code, you have to install the Salesforce extension. You have to create a Salesforce CLI integration. You have to install it. And now go to view and go to view command palette. Now you have to search for SFDX create project. When you click on it, it will take to the standard project template. Then you have to click. It will take to the VS Code which we have created RAM. This is the owner. Under this, you have to click the right side and here you have to create Lightning Web Component. SFDX create Lightning Web Component. When you click this, the property management, you have to give alias name, which is the folder name. Under this, you have to create HTML tag, JavaScript tag, and meta XML tag. This is my HTML code. This is a JS code, and this is my meta X code. This code is provided here. You have to copy and paste it. Then click on save the three codes and when you right click, the accept is deploy this source to org. When you click onto this, it will run and deploy this source to the your Salesforce account. It will take some time to deploy this code. After deploying, it will show the successful deploy this source to the org. The final the final activity for that we have to go to the setup and app launcher, search for property details. On this page, click on gear icon. Gear icon and the component in your web page. You have to save the page and drag. It is the final output of the VS Code properties. You have to access the Apex class. Go to the Apex class, search for Apex class. This is the Apex class I have created. Property handler LWC. Click on security. Then you have to add a profile: customer, manager, system administrator. Click on save. This is the project. The final output is go to the job form. When I have entered my details, then click on submit. The data I have given is submitted and the job form data. Reload the page. This is the customers have entered their details. This is the submission date, the name of the customer, their mail, their phone number, and which type of property they need: commercial, rental, residential, the budget amount, and the address. Also, in Salesforce, when you go to the app launcher and click on search for property details, the customers. This is the customer. This is the data we have seen in jot form. The form customers who have submitted their details and the search property, which is shown by commercial, residential, and rental.